Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Unboxing the Trends. So if you're new here, consider subscribing and hit the ring bell for the new videos I post almost every week. So today we'll be doing unboxing of Electronic Massage 100. So I have purchased it from Decathlon store for $4.99 and the actual price is $6.99. You can also purchase it from their website decathlon.in. So you can use this massager anywhere you have a pain or anywhere your muscles are really tight. So as you can see on your neck, on your shoulder, on your chest, on your thighs. So let's open this box and see what exactly we have inside this. So once we'll open this, you'll see we have a massager inside and we have 3 cells inside. These are pencil cells and they are from Decathlon only. We have one manual guide in which you can see how exactly you have to assemble everything and how you have to use it. And here on the top you can see lock and unlock symbols, and you just have to twist it by holding its neck so that you don't break it. So now let's open and see how exactly it works. So here you have to fix these 3 pencil cells, and to lock it you have to twist it like this. Now it's ready to use and you can hear some sound. So this is how exactly it works. Now this is ready to use. You can use it anywhere you have a pain or wherever you feel that your muscles are tight. So all in all, it's a good product to buy, and this is not very expensive as well. You can carry it along wherever you are traveling as well. So that is it guys, and thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this video has given you some information, and if you like this video, please subscribe our channel and watch my other videos as well. Till then, see you next time with some other video. Bye bye.